Are you ready to discover the latest and the greatest products on the market? Well, you are in the right place. Here we present the latest and the best electric guitar of this year. If you want to buy these amazing products, then go through the links which are given in the description box. Product 1: Enya Novago SP1 35-inch Smart Guitar. The Enya Novago SP1 35-inch Smart Guitar is a remarkable innovation in the world of musical instruments, specifically designed for guitar enthusiasts who are always on the go. This compact and portable carbon fiber acoustic electric travel guitar offers a unique blend of traditional craftsmanship and cutting-edge technology, making it an appealing choice for musicians looking for convenience and versatility. One of the standout features of the Enya Novago SP1 is its compact size, measuring 35 inches, which is smaller than a standard acoustic guitar. This design makes it highly portable and convenient for traveling musicians, students, and professionals who need an instrument that can fit in tight spaces and easily accompany them on their journeys. The smart aspect of this guitar refers to its integration of modern technology. It features built-in electronics that enable it to connect to various devices and apps, making it an ideal choice for musicians who want to experiment with different sounds or record their music easily. With the Enya Novago SP1, you can connect it to your smartphone, tablet, or computer to access a world of digital effects, recording capabilities, and other features, all designed to enhance your playing experience. Constructed from high-quality carbon fiber, this guitar is not only lightweight but also incredibly durable. Carbon fiber is known for its resistance to environmental changes, which makes the Enya Novago SP1 a reliable option for those who frequently travel or play in varying conditions. Additionally, the guitar comes with a case for protection and a charging cable to ensure you can keep it powered up and ready to play. Product 2: West Biking Bike Grips, an aged relic electric guitar. Specifically, the Peter Green Gary Moore Lemon Burst model with a nitro finish is a vintage-style instrument designed to capture the essence of classic electric guitars from the past. These guitars are meticulously crafted to replicate the look, feel, and sound of iconic instruments that have aged naturally over time. The Peter Green Gary Moore Lemon Burst model is particularly known for its historical significance and unique character. It features a one-piece body and neck, which is a hallmark of vintage electric guitars, as modern instruments often use multi-piece constructions for cost-effectiveness. This one-piece construction contributes to the guitar's resonance and sustain. The nitro finish on the guitar is another crucial element. Nitrocellulose lacquer finish was commonly used on vintage guitars, and it tends to age and wear naturally over time, providing a unique patina that is highly sought after by vintage guitar enthusiasts. This finish not only gives the guitar an authentic vintage appearance, but also allows the wood to breathe and resonate better, enhancing the instrument's overall tonal qualities. Fret binding is a cosmetic detail found on many vintage guitars, and it adds to the overall aesthetics of the instrument. It consists of a strip of material, often plastic or celluloid, that is applied to the edges of the fretboard, giving the frets a more finished and refined look. While it doesn't directly affect the guitar's playability or sound, it's a feature often present on vintage-inspired instruments to recreate the classic look and feel of bygone eras. In summary, an aged relic electric guitar like the Peter Green Gary Moore Lemon Burst, with nitro finish, one-piece body and neck, and fret binding, is a meticulously crafted instrument designed to transport musicians back to the golden era of electric guitars. These guitars not only pay homage to the classic designs, but also aim to replicate the aged appearance and tonal qualities that have made vintage instruments legendary in the world of music. Product 3: Product name: High-quality electric guitar. A high-quality electric guitar is a premium musical instrument designed to provide exceptional sound quality, playability, and aesthetic appeal for guitarists, both novice and professional. When evaluating a high-quality electric guitar, several key features, including the guitar's construction materials, finish, and shipping options, can significantly influence its overall value and desirability. Body material: a high-quality electric guitar often features a body made of top-tier materials, such as mahogany. Mahogany is a favored tonewood known for its rich and warm sound, making it ideal for both clean and distorted tones. Color and finish. In the context you provided, the electric guitar is described as black. The finish of the guitar is not only a matter of aesthetics, but also plays a role in protecting the wood. High-quality guitars typically have a well-applied finish that enhances the guitar's visual appeal and durability. Fingerboard material. The description mentions availability of the electric guitar in stock, implies that it's readily accessible for purchase. This is important for musicians who may be eager to acquire their instrument without waiting for backorders. Free shipping. Offering free shipping can be an attractive feature for potential buyers, as it reduces the overall cost of acquiring the guitar. This can be a significant advantage when purchasing high-quality instruments, as they can be an investment. Fast shipping. Fast shipping further enhances the purchasing experience, as it ensures that the guitar reaches the customer quickly and securely. Music product for product name acoustic electric guitar. The acoustic electric guitar, mentioned in the provided paragraph, appears to be a specific type of guitar with notable characteristics. This guitar is described as a solid spruce top jumbo body guitar, measuring 43 inches in length, and having a yellow J200 design. Additionally, it is equipped with an acoustic electric feature, featuring a 101 EK pickup and an 8-pi system. Solid spruce top. The mention of a solid spruce top suggests that the soundboard of this guitar is made from high-quality spruce wood. Solid spruce is a common choice for acoustic guitar tops because it offers a bright, resonant, and clear tone. Jumbo body. The term jumbo body refers to the guitar's body shape. Jumbo guitars are known for their larger size, which typically results in a louder and more resonant sound. This body shape is often preferred by guitarists looking for a powerful and bold acoustic presence. 43 inches length. The length of 43 inches is indicative size. It's likely that this guitar provides a full, rich tone due to its large size. Yellow J200 design. The mention of a yellow J200 design may refer to the aesthetic appearance of the guitar. The J200 design is often associated with Gibson guitars, which are known for their quality and craftsmanship. Acoustic electric features. The most significant feature of this guitar is its acoustic electric capability. This means it can be played as a traditional acoustic guitar, but it also has built-in electronics. The 101 EK pickup and 8-pi system are likely components of the guitar's electronics that enable it to be connected to amplifiers or sound systems, making it suitable for live performances or recording. In summary, the acoustic electric guitar described in the paragraph combines the traditional resonance of a solid spruce top and the power of a jumbo body with modern acoustic electric features. This makes it a versatile instrument suitable for both acoustic and amplified performances, making it a valuable. Looking for a wide range. Product 5 product name classic brand double shake. Vibrato electric guitar. The classic brand double shake vibrato electric guitar represents a unique and high-quality addition to the world of electric guitars. This instrument offers a distinctive feature known as the double shake vibrato, which sets it apart from traditional electric guitars. The double shake vibrato is a specialized vibrato system that provides guitarists with a wide range of pitch modulation options. This system allows players to achieve a rich and expressive vibrato effect, enhancing their performance and adding character to their music. The name double shake suggests that this vibrato system offers not one, but two methods of pitch modulation, making it a versatile choice for musicians seeking to infuse their playing with depth and emotion. Moreover, the classic brand is renowned for its commitment to producing high-quality guitars. These instruments are crafted with precision and attention to detail, resulting in exceptional sound quality and durability. The combination of the unique double shake vibrato and the brand's reputation for excellence makes this electric guitar an appealing option for both beginners and seasoned guitarists looking to explore new tonal possibilities and elevate their playing experience. In summary, the classic brand double shake vibrato electric guitar is a standout instrument known for its innovative vibrato system and superior craftsmanship. It caters to guitarists who seek to enhance their musical expression and make a statement with a high-quality electric. Thanks for watching. Links are in the description box. Do not forget to subscribe, like, and share the video.